There's my DGen family. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Let's check on the daily and weekly closes for JASMY. Look across the market here. XCN up almost 5%. Algo up 3.2%. First of all, not too much else really pumping right now. Beam's up a little bit. Turbo, a little tiny bit there. But Muri is a good DC opportunity. Pretty much everything is. JASMY down 1.6% on the day, down 30.1% on the week, up 52.8% on the month, and up 358% on the year. Down one spot and ranked to 72. $1.57 billion market cap. Volumes down to 211 million, which tells me there's not much trading, not much activity going on right now, one way or the other. It's pretty much across the board, too, to be honest with you. All right, let's go look over at the JASMY chart. We'll check on the daily close. We'll check on the weekly close. So we inch and squinch our way closer and closer to this golden cross happening here. We have it massively circled. We'll get rid of that. But yeah, so the golden cross is coming in, guys. It's just getting ready to touch. So probably day after tomorrow, we should have a full cross on there if we can get a pump to the upside. We are in a bullish structure right now, guys. If you can see, I showed this morning. So we're in a falling wedge pattern here, okay? Now, we had our daily close right about where we are now, 3 cents 2-ish. But I want to show you something here. RSI is down to 44.10, starting to get into the oversold. So memorize this structure right here, guys. Okay, this is the daily time frame. Look what we're doing. Look at the structure we're in. Now, let's go over to the weekly. What do you see? Little bit of that's a big fat candle. Yeah, I made those big and fat. So yeah, we're in this here, but look what we have here. This is what I wanted to show you guys, okay? Exact same structure on the weekly time frame. Now, this is what I want to show you. We have 1, 2, 3 touches before we broke out to the upside, right, in the falling wedge pattern. That is generally what happens. Here we had about 3-month consolidation, same pattern, broke to the upside. Here, 5 months we sat here, broke to the upside, right? So just remember this pattern here, like I said. Now, let's go back to the daily. Boom. Exact same pattern. We just need our third touch of the top of the trend line to confirm, possibly ping pong inside of here for a couple more days. Maybe next week we break out of here. We need our third touch, maybe come down, break to the upside, right? So this will break to the upside, guys, in my opinion. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed in crypto, but the odds of this are very, very good. This is a bullish structure combined with the golden cross getting ready to take place on the daily time frame. Going over to the weekly again, have a look at how we closed. Not the best weekly close, but it was still higher close than back here, right? So we are starting to put in lower highs and lower lows, though, which is not the best, but I digress. We'll watch the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame, though. We go over to the 4-hour. Let's have a look at what's kind of transpiring. So it can't seem to make up its mind on the 4-hour time frame what it wants to do. We're just kind of ping-ponging, guys, right? We had the death cross here on the 4-hour, but like I said, guys, the death cross is a lagging indicator. So that death cross represents this, right? So don't panic when I say there's a death cross. It doesn't mean a big dump's coming for JASMY. All right, so that's the 4-hour. The sentiment is basically, yeah, sideways, right? Bulls and bears. Nobody's really making an aggressive move one way or the other. Going over to Bitcoin. Now, I told you guys this morning in the live stream that if we closed below 96.9, we were probably going to see a dump down to around this 92K level, possibly even into this box between 85K and 87K, right? We did close below 86.9. So I think we are at minimum going to come down and touch this 92K level. That's what I think is going to happen. I could be wrong, but you know, it is what it is. We've lost support. We've retested this. We've back tested this trend line as resistance. It is, and we're dumping to the downside. So, like I said, my target 92K. If that does not hold, then down inside between 85 and 87K. RSI cooling off 43.78, getting into the oversold, but not quite there yet. Lower time frames over on the 4-hour. Yeah, just a downward kind of structure we got going on here. So death cross is looming on the 4-hour. Again, though, guys, the death cross represents all of this dumping. It's a lagging indicator, not a precursor to a dump. So keep that in mind, okay? No panicking. So, yeah, I'm expecting tonight, again, back over to the daily, I am expecting continuation to the downside here, down to 92K is what I'll be watching for. Where did our weekly close? See, way down here on our weekly close. Not fantastic. We closed at 95.1, almost 95.2. So, but I mean, hey, you know what? Whatever, man. It's not that bad, right? Continuation is going to happen, guys. Our timeline, listen, our timeline has not changed at all. That's what I want you guys to focus on and remember. Timeline doesn't change. We're anticipating the top of the market being between September and October, possibly into November, right? This changes nothing in terms of our timeline. Unless you were planning on taking profits at the end of December, it doesn't really make a difference, right? That's why right now, in terms of price action on the altcoins, I don't really care that much whether they pump right now or not, because I have no intention of selling right now anyways, right? They're dumping, so I'll probably buy more. But outside of that, it doesn't really affect me one way or the other. And you guys, I would encourage you to kind of have the same kind of perspective, right? All right, so anyway, what is going on? JASMY set to ignite the God candle. So JASMY has soared over 500% this year after breaking out of a 2-year consolidation. The token is positioned for something bigger. Key technical patterns suggest a massive move could be on the horizon. Investors are watching closely, as JASMY could be on the verge of delivering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. From CryptoZilla, says JASMY will produce the God candle of a lifetime. This is exactly what is ahead of us. Key resistance broken. A fresh uptrend begins. So JASMY has broken through important resistance levels after months of limited movement. The token surged past the 3 cents to and 5 cents. This marks the end of the long lower high trend. A strong bullish candle confirmed the shift. Although the coin has dipped slightly, the setup looks promising for continued growth. The cup and handle pattern. On the daily chart, signals a likely uptrend. A rounding bottom near 1 cent 6 further supports this, showing building momentum. Since November 5th, JASMY has climbed 260%, breaking from a multi-year consolidation zone around 2 cents. Technical indicator points to more gains. A golden cross has formed where the 100-day EMA crosses above the 200-day EMA. This is a powerful signal for more growth. The MACD also shows rising lines and expanding positive histograms, confirming the bullish trend. Fibonacci retracement levels suggest the potential for even higher gains. Upside targets are set at 7 cents 17 and 13 cents 03, offering a possible 145% gain. Even if a correction happens, a dip to 3 cents 555 would still fit within the larger bullish trend. We've actually dipped below that to 3 cents 254. The breakout from a 2-year consolidation has sparked renewed interest in JASMY coin. rising trading volume, and solid momentum that shows that JASMY could soon reach new highs. This is a rare opportunity for traders to capitalize on. Keep an eye on JASMY. It might just be be ready for the God candle. So it highlights here the golden cross that I already showed you guys. Now I have been showing you guys this golden cross as it's been forming for about I don't know, 3 weeks now. If you've been on the channel for a while, you know I've been highlighting this golden cross every single day since like back here, right? Back in like December 4th, I started talking about it. But that's fine. I don't need credit. It's all good in the hood, right? Ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string. So yeah, so that's what we're watching for here, guys. And then on the broader picture, the cup and handle that they're talking about, right? So so there you go. But yes, a break out of this falling wedge pattern is what I will be watching. We need our third touch here. That's what I'm paying attention to. But as always, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon. If you've never been through an altcoin season before, guys, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who have been through multiple altcoin seasons. We have literally hundreds of people over on the Patreon as a community. We do live group video calls every single night where we have massive discussions, deep dive discussions into all things crypto, from price targets, price predictions, to exit strategies, and how to take profits, how to set your sell orders, where you should be setting your sell orders. If you're setting sell orders where there's no buy orders, i.e. if you don't know how to identify where liquidity is in the market, you're going to get stuck holding your altcoins for the entire next 4 years. There's no worse feeling than that, guys. Believe me. So do not go into this altcoin season unprepared. Join our community. The link is in the description. You can schedule one-on-one coaching sessions with me. You can join our group video calls that we do every single night and get all of your questions answered, get all of the help you need all in one spot. We also drop microcap gems over there. I dropped 3 the other day. A lot of people are actually picking up this new node opportunity that I put over there as well. So if you want to get into operating nodes and stuff, that option is over there as well. There's lots of passive income opportunities. So get over to the Patreon, guys. Schedule your one-on-ones and let's get this ball rolling for you. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one.